Now we can get ready to cut our dummy baseboard. If you take a close look right here, how this louver is attached, it will pop up this way. So I'm just going to bend this way and then pull like that. That's how it goes on. Same over here and down here. And then I'm going to take one of these out because I'm only going to use 2 brackets. That's fine for 3 feet of base. We'll keep these ones in there. I'm going to have to cut that. I'll take these right out of here because we know that we're going to have to slide them in afterwards. Oh, these ones are tight. That's going to be interesting. That's okay. One. Again, might be good to wear gloves. Stuff is kind of sharp. Last one. So let's talk about cutting the cover and the back of this baseboard a little bit. I'm going to use this saw. It is a multi-saw. It cuts metal, wood, whatever. Obviously, you might not have one of those, so you could use the Sawzall with a nice fine tooth metal blade. But one thing to keep in mind is if you're going to cut this, just protect this finish, so obviously it doesn't get messed up. And I wouldn't put masking tape on your cut and cut it that way because the vibration of the saw, I've done it before and it tends to really mush that masking tape in here and it makes a sticky mess and it just doesn't look good. So maybe a piece of cardboard or something, or you can flip it, cut it from the back, and then maybe sand down the burrs just so you don't have sharp edges. But like I said, I'm going to use this saw, my Evolution Power Tool saw. I have my 3 feet marked right here, and I'm going to cut it. Safety glasses. I'm going to cut the front and the louver the same, 3 feet. 3 feet. Probably cut this without this thing, but I like using it. This little clamp feature. And I can take a file and just get some of these burrs off of here. Saw does a pretty good job not to make burrs, but you always have some. Not that anybody's gonna reach their fingers in there, but you never know.